Check, check. Mic check. So, look at that. Look at all this, all this, all this, all of this. We have so many interesting things that happened over the weekend and in the past week. So, first of all, let's see hourly. Panic sell this day. Tariffs. Trump. Many bad things gonna happen. We crossed moving averages. What's that, 21? Yep. We went back 2 months before, etc., etc., etc. Wait a minute. What is going on? Is that yesterday's value? Okay, that makes sense. Yesterday's value is nowhere to be seen. So Monday, on Monday we have like the worst setup is red candle and continuation of the red candle. It's the worst setup. And red, if we go up on a red candle, it's also a bad setup of percentages. You see? Let me show you. Here we are. We are trading MNQ today, and we have Monday. There's no news. This week is good. And so we'll have open in 7 minutes. So green positive, very good. Green negative, even green negative today is very good. Green, red, positive, red to like red to the downside, green to the upside, green to the downside, red candle, and shorts are not really the best working thing on earth. And red candle longs, they do not worry at all. So we have few options. First of all, we have established a huge gap up, right? Like a huge gap up, like a contract move. That's crazy gap. That's crazy gap. This is not a contract rollover, by the way. When was the last time we had such a gap? I think, okay, I don't even have info. Okay, these, um, here in summer, before summer, here we had some gaps when the market were, okay, it's just, we don't have info on that. That's weird. Oops. It's somehow the historical data is fucked when I connected NinjaTrader. I don't know why, but it happens so. But well, nevertheless, I think there were these gaps like lately they didn't happen. Oh, that was the gap. And we continued up. So Jesus, stop doing that. Today we have few things uncontrollable. That today is like unpredictable, uncontrollable. We might go up, we might go down. There's no one here who can tell me anything else, but continuation to the upside for 26 6,000s. Mm, I don't know. No, I don't think there's enough catalyst in the market today. Maybe we could have potentially this week this thing, which is also expected to lower their interest rates, so everybody's kind of already positioning for that, and they will be if the number is most likely is 4. Um, so I think market will retreat from its all-time highs. And so for today, I have this on green and this, okay? I don't like the red would not be ideal, but today and tomorrow, not tomorrow, this week, I'll have only 2 trades. This is amazing. I mean, like the markets are not giving me any setups these days. And this month, I had only 12 trades. With those 2 more, it will be 14 trades in a month. This is probably one of the lowest numbers you can get in a month. So, also volume today is not good. Mm-mm. Look at the Friday's volume, but look at the Thursdays. And when was that? I think we saw a huge spike in volume a few days. Yeah, that was already 30,000 before, and here like 60,000. It was when on 17th, and 17th was this day from here down. Wow, like down. Oh my god. So we had triple of the volume. So today, Monday, very low volume day. There's a lot of movement to the upside. Actually, there's a lot of movement on NQ, but on ES, it's kind of more flat than it could be. Like it's kind of flattish. What was the range, by the way, of today's first opening candle? 31 points. 31 points. Let's see what did NQ did. What did NQ did today? Oops, sorry again. 150 points. So we are up 1.2%. So it's like half of average true range, right? Isn't it? It'll show me average true range on NQ 80. What? Average daily. No, this is not what I want. True range. Yeah. Thank you. Panel 1. True range. What? Okay, so 300 today, and it was what? How is that possible? Oh, so okay, it's average. So, oh, go green. All-time highs. We touched that. We touched that. Retreat. Break that. We like strong candles, that's for sure. We like candles that do not go up and down all the time. By the way, I need to open up the counting machine for my lots, just to be on the safe side, not to it. You know, spreads are big. I must say that these moves, with a bit of spread. So my account is good. I'm in Q, not in Q. Okay, let's execute my edge, which is for today. I will take any candle, any cross, any signal, because I'm just trading the Monday, and I don't care the candle color, and I don't care the direction. But tomorrow, uh, in next week, we're gonna have a conversation about having these candle colors and everything else. So 185. Whoa, that's a small range. That a small range. And we are kind of under risking, which is okay in a sense. It's not a big deal. So we will flip the candle. I think we will flip the candle right here because there's not enough buyers. If we don't flip the candle, then I'm very bullish. That would be a great thing to continue to the upside because we came back to half of this candle, which is my risk. That means that markets waved, made a one wave, come back just to check if what's living there, who had those orders there. And today is my day to execute my trades, and my trades consists of green negative, green positive. Just a good percentage, like 47%. Imagine that. Okay, here come the second wave to the half of this candle. We're kind of bouncing up. ES is also bouncing up. It has a potential for so ES is what? Very huge positive delta. Now the question is, will we continue with this delta or just buyers getting trapped? Okay, 1 minute left, and Q might make a move here, which is not the worst. But, oh, well, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so it's kind of established right now in a way, right? There's some left, but overall, just few ticks. Oh my God, this is flipping candle. This guy wants to flip a candle, right? This thing wants to flip a candle. That is amazing. If we truly do that, like in 6, 5, 0. Okay, let's go. And it's green negative. The candle that we don't like, but we like it on Mondays only. So let's see the liquidity. How low the liquidity is living, and how much do we coming back? How much do we come back? Come down, I mean, come down, come down. Okay, its momentum is good, speed is good, perfection. Wow. Bounce back, bounce back. All right, so there was slippage, you can see. We've been triggered like 5 ticks away from all that. It's not a big deal, but yeah, that was the case. Now, yes, it's still rolling. Will it bounce off the VWAP or not? That's the question, but from what I see, yes, it's still rolling down. And I don't think, I just watch, okay? VWAP is the question of hold or not to hold, to go down or not to go down. Well, yes, it's kind of moving downwards. Let's see, NQ will follow it or not. VWAP is a big question. Buy the dips. I know, like look at the market. Why wouldn't you buy the dip? I don't know. Or sell the pullback. Let's see. Wow. This is a wild market, okay? This is a wild market. It's quite annoying that we had this slippage on the way down. So that made my little bit of like win risk to reward ratio suck. We know we came back a lot to this area, so if we come back, we probably go in all inside there. And we are kind of pulling back from up and shit like that. Okay, so 3 minutes into the trade. Trade is not looking good. Trade is looking pretty shitty, to be fair with you. Yeah, we're just finding those buyers on and on, which is annoying. We are pulling up. On yes, we came back to volume, like middle of the volume. Now let's see what we'll meet here. And yeah, the market was just a pullback. Unfortunate Monday. Bye bye. Okay, so green negative now worked. Also with the slippage probably. 149, let's see the exact number, 149. Yes, so we are back exactly to break even on my trading journey. Oh well. This has to be like unlucky part of the trading, but there's nothing much I can do. So tomorrow is the day before Fed fund rates. We don't have an edge. We will not trade any of those index. I will trade only on Wednesday. I will trade NQ on Wednesday. And we'll see how it happens then. So well, this day could have produced actually some alpha because like there was big gap up, move up. We're trading above everything. Let's check it like if we trade above everything, so green negative. Zero above. Wow. No, we're not above. We're trading above and inside this one, so that sucks. This probability sucked. Okay. So, doji, like doji, everything is doji. Thank you and bye bye.